In phase one, God awakened our hearts through prayer. We sought revival and invited the Spirit to breathe new life into us. Now He is calling us to the next step, alignment, where our hearts, our ministries, and our actions move in the same direction as His vision. Alignment is about walking in step with God's plan, not ours. It's about listening for His direction, clarifying His vision, and moving forward as one body under one Spirit. Before we move, we listen for the Holy Spirit's voice. Together, we define where God is leading Mars Hill next. We don't just pray for change, we become the change. We build on the places where God's presence is already alive. With grace, we surrender habits and systems that don't reflect His mission so He can do something new. In alignment, we take the fire from the altar of revival and carry it into action. God is calling Mars Hill to walk together in faith, clarity, and purpose. When our hearts and hands move as one, nothing can stop what He has ordained. Lord, align our hearts with Your will, our ministries with Your mission, and our plans with Your purpose. This is our moment to align with heaven's plan. Let's move forward together. One church, one spirit, one mission. Strengthen what remains.